All right, good morning. Well, as you can see, there's still no boat here. Hopefully it's on its way, maybe a few more weeks, 2 or 3 more weeks, and I'll have a boat. But today we're going out to Lake Don Pedro. We're gonna see if we can get some trout in the boat, maybe get some bass. We'll be trolling all day. It's supposed to be a really nice day. Come on out and good luck. Almost, I think, close to 7 o'clock. Sun's coming up. Looks like there's a little bit of a breeze at Don Pedro. $35 to launch, but looks like a nice day. The flags are blowing a little bit, so there might be a little bit of a breeze today. We'll see how we do. All right, we're launching at Blue Oaks. Looks like we got a few boats already launching. All right, let's get this boat in the water. I think we've been dragging it.
Oh. Well, it's not the monster that Ron Burke got.
Now, what do you have on that one?
This one?
Is that the Fire Tiger?
No, the Fire Tiger I took off.
Oh, what'd you put on?
Not the XL.
Nice bass, or a little dinky bass.
Hey.
Oh, he's jumping. He's jumping back there.
Not as small as I thought he was. Is he on?
Well, he came up out of the water.
Yeah.
Did he spit it? Oh no, did he spit it?
No, that must be him there.
Oh, there he is, he's there.
Oh, look at this. This is a monster. He's acting funny, Dio.
Oh, that's a nice fish.
Yeah. He's acting funny. He's acting funny.
That's a nice trout.
Yeah.
Nice trout. Oh, that's a nice trout. Oh, right in the mouth.
That's what I said, he's acting funny.
Look at that.
Oh, that's a nice trout.
Oh,
That's a nice trout.
yeah, about 170 feet of water. We're gonna have to swing back through there again. Doing about 2.4, 2.5 miles per hour. Looks like the black and white. We're about
Black and red.
black and red. We're down about 50 feet on the downrigger. Yeah, we've caught a nice bass. Okay bass, but a nice trout. Caught a nice trout. We're gonna swing back through and see if we can pick up another one. Look at that.
Look at that baby.
There's a nice trout.
Yeah, you go all the way to Nevada for that.
Almost. All right. Looks like we only got 2 fish today. 1 trout, 1 bass. Looks like a few people we talked to, they had 5, 6, 7 bass in the boat and a couple trout. Trout's not bad size. Trouts are nice, decent trout. Didn't seem like we got anything that was really working. We threw apexes, rapalas, wedding rings, night crawlers, and we only got the 2 fish. And like I said, it seemed like there was a few more people that got more, did better than we did. All right, come on out and good luck.